In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WordPress white screen of death. If you can still access your WordPress admin area, one of the quickest and most effective things you can do is check whether a plugin conflict is causing the problem. The white screen of death often happens when a plugin creates a fatal error in the background, and WordPress is no longer able to load the site properly. The good news is that you do not need to test every plugin one by one at the beginning. Instead, you can temporarily deactivate them all at once to quickly confirm whether a plugin is the source of the issue. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you are inside the admin area, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to Plugins. Then click Installed Plugins. This page will show you every plugin that is currently added to your website, including the ones that are active. From here, select All Plugins. In most WordPress setups, you can do that by checking the box at the top of the plugin list, which automatically selects everything on the page. After all plugins are selected, find the Bulk Actions drop-down menu above the list. Open that menu and choose Deactivate. Then apply that action to deactivate all selected plugins at the same time. This is the fastest way to rule out a plugin-related issue without spending extra time going through them individually. After the plugins have been deactivated, check your website again. If the white screen disappears and your site starts loading normally, that tells you a plugin conflict was most likely the cause. At that point, you can begin narrowing it down by reactivating plugins later, one at a time, until the issue comes back. That process helps you identify exactly which plugin is triggering the problem. A helpful tip here is to stay calm if your site looks different after deactivating plugins. Some features may temporarily stop working, especially things like forms, security tools, page builders, or caching tools. That is normal during troubleshooting, and the goal right now is simply to get the site visible and working again. This method is especially useful because it is safe, simple, and does not require editing code. If you still have access to the WordPress admin panel, deactivating all plugins through installed plugins is one of the best first steps to take when dealing with a WordPress white screen of death. That's it for this part of the fix.